Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download, install, and use Wasender 3.5, a super powerful tool for bulk messaging on WhatsApp. Whether you're running a business, promoting a product, or just trying to stay in touch with a large group of people, Wasender makes sending messages to multiple contacts quick and efficient. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get started right away. Without further ado, let's dive in. Installation. First things first, head over to your website to grab Wasender 3.5.0. The link is in the video description. Once downloaded, extract the zip file and install it. Heads up, there's a password needed to unlock the zip, which will flash on screen for a few seconds, so be sure not to skip any part of the video. On your first launch, the program will ask for an activation key. Good news, I'm offering 30 days of free access to all my subscribers. To claim your free subscription, just take a screenshot showing that you're subscribed to the channel, then send it via WhatsApp along with your email and product activation code to receive your activation key. Once you get it, copy and paste the key into the program and hit activate. Once inside the dashboard, you can select from a variety of features. In this tutorial, we'll focus on two key tools, the WhatsApp number filter and bulk messaging. WhatsApp number filter. The WhatsApp number filter is an awesome feature that lets you identify which phone numbers are registered on WhatsApp. Don't have a list of numbers? No worries, you can generate unlimited phone numbers directly within Wasender. To generate numbers, simply click on Generate Numbers. Enter the country code, followed by the starting number, then specify the quantity and hit Generate. Once your numbers are ready, click Import. When it comes to filtering the numbers, It's recommended to keep the delay settings at their default, especially if you're using a new WhatsApp account, to avoid being flagged or banned. To begin, hit log into WhatsApp and then click Start to initiate the filtering process. Once the process is done, you can either export just the filtered WhatsApp numbers or export everything, which includes all generated numbers. Sending bulk messages. Now that you have your filtered numbers, it's time to send your bulk messages. Go back to the Wasender dashboard, enter your recipient numbers, or upload an Excel file. For this video, I'll manually input the numbers. Once you're set, craft your message. To make your messages more interactive, you can add buttons. Just click Add Button, enter a title, select the button type, and click Add Button. You can choose between linking to a URL or a phone number. If you pick the link option, enter the URL and hit save. You can add as many buttons as you'd like. Want to attach a file? Just click on Add File to include an image, document, or other attachments. You can tweak the delay settings, but the default settings usually work fine. Once you're satisfied, hit Start Campaign. Next, give your campaign a name. If you're sending messages to people you haven't interacted with before, check the Unsafe Mode box. If you're messaging existing contacts, stick with Safe Mode. You can schedule your messages, but I'm going to click Start Now to send immediately. In the pop-up window, click Start, and once the process is finished, you'll see a success message. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next episode. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.